You know it, we thought it was spring already and winter's back. I guess we don't really get winter here, but anyways, what a day. Thought I'd show you that it does actually snow in southern Utah. We're on the road again. We've had another winter storm come rolling in. I'm sure we're going to be hopping. Been a pretty busy week overall. But we're up to Springdale, Utah, just out of Zion National Park. And we're up here to get a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. It's gotten in an accident, so hopefully we can get up here without too much of a delay and get them gathered up and back to town. And we'll probably take them into St. George or Washington, it sounded like. And so we'll take you along for the ride. I can get that Tacoma loaded. right, guys, well, that wasn't too big of a deal. We was able to come up here and scoop that baby up, no problem. Just right at the bottom of the switchbacks there, and the roads were pretty slick this morning, so we're gonna take this down to Dillard Collision in St. George and get these boys back on the road again, hopefully. So what happened there, guys?
Well, came across the bridge, tried taking a wide turn to avoid the edge of the embankment, and couldn't get over in time, and they locked up their brakes coming down the hill and hit us head on.
Kind of did a little toboggan coming down that hill, sounds like. But anyways, everybody's okay. That's what counts when we get out on these accident scenes. As long as everybody's okay, we can replace or fix the vehicles. So we're gonna boogie back down the road, and we'll take you along for the rest of the ride, and we'll get them down to Dillard Collision. So thanks for coming along for the ride.